You're just closing the back up. Now we'll close all the curtains up and see if we can pack it away. It's actually not as difficult as it seems. It's just knowing, the first time, knowing what to go where. The instructions, I think, leave a little bit to be desired. I'm going to take all the poles off, and inside ones first. One thing to be careful of, the rubber clips, protector clips, actually come off the ends of these. So you have to be a bit careful when you take them out of the sockets. Make sure all the windows blinds are up, all the zips are zipped, and we're ready to this.
Dismantle.
What we'll have to do. Pull it at the back.
So it's just Velcro onto the...
At the moment it's only Velcro onto the car roof.
But you can actually take...
You can put straps straight across the car,
right across,
depending on if you don't have roof racks or...
because when it gets a bit windy,
Just clipping all the rods off and then hooking them from the bottoms. I think the next time I try to build it up, I'll try with fasten to the roof of the car first, rather than trying to do it on the ground. Do it. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually give you much. It's going to be a trial and error of the best way to take the poles out. That was simple. So with two people doing it, so much easier. That was pretty easy. So these all go back and back. The reason for putting them in the pack straight away is actually pretty simple, because that's the size the tent used to be. Put it back into the bag. Velcro strips off top. It's going to be the hard part. Just trying to fold this in. I would suggest that we take it from this one and take the next one. These are all the same length. And just take it from here. Is that about the size? Does it need to be more?
oh, needs to be more shots.
It needs to be smaller than that.
Let's open that up again and make 3.
These two.
Oh, just one here, and then another one. Okay, let's not buy it again. I like it.
That's close enough. Bring this. This is nice. No. If it won't fit in the bag, the next time we'll leave the metal work out and just pack the tent in.
Pack it all in the bundle, basically. But, hey, Mike. There's no happening space, is it, chaps?
Well, as you can see, guys, it does go back in, surprisingly enough.
Yes.
But it's a very, very
Tight fit.
tight fit, I'm sure.
Now this is your Rimini 300 from your gear. Huh?
It's had a good review from me anyway.
Yeah.
No, as I say, all back in the box. Can't complain. So guys, that's us finished building up and pulling down our little fort tent that my lovely wife bought for me. Seen it on Amazon, done a lot of research and come up with this fort tent. And I think it works pretty well on the Chrysler Voyager, and I'm sure it would fit on any van about the same size. Let's say it's 3 meters long, but because it has the pole on the front, it will stick out over the front or back a little. Makes not much difference. Okay, so anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing you again. Take care.